Mubarak and welcome back to Saf's room. I'm going to start Ramadan diaries. So this is actually day 3. I was sick day 1 and day 2. So it's not going to be a daily vlog, but it's going to be as much as I can record. And let's start with a TikTok unboxing. My sister and I bought bags. We have one. I'm sure you've seen these bags all over TikTok. It's a huge one. So I bought one, I think. My sister's one. I don't know if I can unbox that. And I got one in ribbed black. There'll be 2 vlogs running at the same time. There'll be my living in Korea vlogs because I was living in Korea and then I'm having a break, and then inshallah I will be going back. And right now I'm at home and I'm spending Ramadan here after 2 years, which is great. Because when I was fasting at home, all I was eating was like fasting in Korea, I was eating triangles ramen. Like, it wasn't it. So like being here and eating malawah is this. Love it. This is the bag. I really love when bags have a lot of zips. This part was a selling point. And then you can put your water bottle in there. That's crazy. I don't have my water bottle right now. I left it in Korea. But you can put it in here. So I'm thinking like this one could be like my, I don't know, weekend bag. I highly want to make this my work bag. This one's a statement. Hopefully it's like starts to sag down as I put items in it. And then it's got, let's see, the selling point. And then, I don't know if I can open this one. Let me promise this. Okay, let me clean up the mess. So, in total, I got 1, 2. I feel like I'm going to fall in love with this one more. I need a pop of colour. I'll see how it wears down and how it works as a daily and work bag. And then I'll let you guys know. But bye. Let me go to the cooking. Before I leave, I also got these tapes. Basically, I had eczema on my neck here and it wouldn't scab up. Because for eczema to heal, it needs to scab up and dry, and it wouldn't scab up. And especially like because it's on the neck, and like I've got my hijab going, I've got my big scarf going, it will like trigger it. So whenever I go out or at night, I would literally just tape my neck, and then that will stop me from scratching. And then alhamdulillah, my eczema's healed. But here and there I get like the urge to scratch, but at least it's not like an open wound. Because if you have active eczema, you can take it out. I don't know, I'm not dermatologist like approved. One tip I learned. Okay, let's go on to the cooking.
Ramadan Mubarak. Dalabadna inti jiran Allah caafiyo. Inti caafimaad qabta Allah u siyaadiyo. Inti dib ku jirta Allah ka bixiyo. Ilaahay wana waaxidaha. Annaga dhan meel kasta oo joogna Somali. Ilaahay hana asturo. Ilaahay bogeennana burcad ha isku marin. Alhamdulillah, shukr.
Oh, that was the freestyle. Today we are cooking malawah and Sambus. And it's right behind us.
Well, easy, but eat it.
I like to eat it when it's piping hot, but obviously I can't, it's Ramadan. That's the malawah making done, and it's time for the sambus now.
So we'll see.
Well, it makes it all fresh from the wrap to the filling. And my sis helps. Trust me, my sis helps. I do the cleaning. It's like that. We'll have this as well.
Bur
or flour,
cusbo,
salt,
iyo biyo kulul.
And hot water.
Cusbada iyo biyaha kulul baan isku daray, waan ku qasay. In yaroo saliid oo gacmaha iskaga fujiyna way ku jirtaa.
And there's a little bit of oil just so it's not sticky.
Waa xabad toon ah.
This is the garlic.
Waa kabsar caleen.
We add tuna to our sambus or samosas. I think like the South Asian community adds potatoes and stuff. Just draining the oil out. And then Hooyo's gonna add it to this mixture. At the end we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're adding the tuna to the mix. If you're Somali, the staple is tuna in your sambus. I don't like the minced meat. Hooyo too. We prefer the tuna in the
Maca chicken kaliya kan dhadhan buu leeyahay dhadhan.
Yeah. It's 10 out of 10. So Hooyo just added salt, all-purpose seasoning, sriracha, and now parsley. Let's go. Okay, different variations of cumin. That's it. Now you gotta mix.
Afur baan sameeyo.
And this is the sambusa part done. And then Fahey's gonna wrap it and put the filling in and create the actual sambusa. Oh. Sorry.
Oh.
Let me deliver it to Fahey. You get it flat. At first I like to make sure like it could be perfect. So I do it without the paste. And then I see. Open one side. Put the flour on one side. I try to thin it out so it won't be too thick. And put a little bit on the other side. Fold it in. Make sure the bottom is closed because you want all the holes to be closed so oil doesn't get into it. Have it open like that. And you need to leave enough space at the top so when you fold it. And then pinch all the corners.
Batati.
It's potato,
Iyo.
turmeric, chili powder,
Yeah.
the lemon.
Yeah. Aku saya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barakatuh. Softy muna na kondona inshallah. Tapos buriyan bang ko.
I'm on clean duty.
Kiling gare ang mga solo kayo. There you. Good girl.
Oh damn. I don't spill it. This is oil. Imagine I spill it. Kill myself. I don't mind either. I don't mind it. But when it's big items, cut it quick. Why you ran away? Why you went upstairs? Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. Too high, high. Hey, got it, that's alright. Right, let me come back when everything is like. I'm getting overwhelmed. I'm getting overstimulated. Hooyo and Freya were having a bust up about who's cooking it. And then I mistakenly said me. Ramadan diaries! Yay! I only did 3 at the moment. 3 on top of whatever you did. Yeah, let's put in as much as I can now. Oh, do you know some of them they're gripping onto each other? Oh, this one's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, most of them are perfect. That's how I
She said most of them are perfect. Oh, this one?
Is it?
Exactly, you just pinch it.
Is it?
I pinched it.
Yeah. Wow.
I was taught by the best, what do you call it? Teacher. Hooyo.
Well, I teach her.
Guess what?
Yeah. I'm better than Hooyo at this.
When the teacher, what do you call it? When the student becomes the, oh, this one's perfect. I think one more.
Sorry, you don't hold them for too long.
I was checking.
I think they're big for extra big.
Oh, I made a mess.
No, let's stuff another. Put one more in there. See, it's big.
Ew, I shouldn't touch it.
Oh, yeah, she's taking too long.
What?
Put one more in there and then that's 15.
Her talking to me through the PPO was funny.
That's okay, like, flip it, man.
The crowd didn't like that. There's no space for that one. Okay, that's the end to episode 1 of the Ramadan Diaries. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Actually, before I end, this is the results. The sambusa.